Muah. Dan suka dukanya tinggal di Indonesia comparing to Europe.
Traffic,
Iya itu pasti semua.
pollution, ya.
Oh, but I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite Indonesian food?
Martabak manis.
Martabak manis.
Before I used to eat a lot, like I could eat full box with the chocolate,
Wow.
you know, and everything. Yes.
No, it's not panas.
It's not panas.
Halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini Mbak Tina Bule lagi ada di rumah. Terus saya undang teman saya Aga, inget kan dari kemarin pas barbecue. Kita lagi mau santai di rumah dan sambil bikin video buat YouTube-nya Mbak Tina Bule juga. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini, jangan lupa subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya. Yuk, kita lagi nungguin Mbak Aga. Venture. Nah, jadi sambil agak saya mau siapin teh karena biasa kita aktivitasnya sambil teh terus ngomong-ngomong. Tehnya kayaknya apa ya? Ada di sini atau di mana ya tehnya? Di sana saus sambal. Nah, di sini adalah teh berries tea. Nah, sambil tunggu agaknya saya lagi mau siapin tehnya. Cuman taruh ini di cup. Nah, kan dia udah nyampe. Aku tahu pas waktunya.
Hello.
Hai Mbak Aga. Tuh ada Mbak Aga di sini. Muah.
How are
Halo
you
semua.
today?
Tuh.
Hello semua. Are you making the video today?
Yes.
You
Hello
work,
everyone. No, Aga, I was just getting ready some tea for us.
Oh, I want to. Today's
You want-
rainy day.
Rainy day, right?
Need some tea.
Tapi cuacanya bagus banget, nggak panas, nggak dingin, pas banget, bagus.
It's very fresh outside today.
Right? Come here, let's make tea. Look, you see? I knew you wanted this, so I prepared tea.
Oh, thank you. You know me so well.
You see? Agaknya mau remove tehnya di sini, taruh di sini.
Terima kasih Mbak Tina Bule.
Mbak tidak boleh. Lagi siapin tehnya. And later, after the tea is ready, you just wanna chill outside?
Yeah, let's go. The air, the weather is really nice today. It's
Yes,
so fresh.
fresh.
Not hot, not cold.
The pollution
Perfect.
not really bad, yeah, today?
Yeah.
Okay. Air biasa. Tuh bisa dia kuat banget.
Tadi habis masuk ya.
Aha, you see? Aku udah bilang cukup kok sesendok sanggar. Dua lagi. Mine is very good. Oke, jadi yuk.
Ayo.
We are going outside ya.
I just leave the spoon here. Yeah.
Oh ya, of course. Yang itu. Sendoknya ditinggalin. Kalau HP siapa tahu mungkin anaknya minumannya. Yuk, kita jalan.
Just love me. I don't need more.
But the swimming pool is very nice. I know, right?
Jadi kalau kita berdua pasti selalu ketawa. Tapi subjeknya hari ini nanti kita bilang di bawah sana. Kita mau dekat kolam berenang. Yuk. Okay, so we sit here, ya?
Oh, but I see here it's way deeper than another one, yeah? You can
Yes. Ini buat
to jump.
this is for big humans, that is for small humans. Ya. Jadi hari ini kita mau ngobrol pro dan suka dukanya tinggal di Indonesia comparing to Europe. So we are gonna discuss pros and cons living to Indonesia comparing to Europe, right? Saya dari Romania, dia dari Polandia.
From where to start, yeah?
Iya. from
It's very cheap. Indonesia is very cheap place compared with Europe.
with
yeah.
Europe, yeah. The food, right?
I mean, like first time when I arrived here for the first time when I came to Indonesia, like was very difficult for me because I was not I didn't got used to the rice and Indonesian food.
Ya, jadi kalau orang Eropa gitu biasa kita kalau di Eropa
Western
sarapan
food,
atau
Western food is more expensive.
So we are
yeah.
eating roti atau kentang gitu. Terus tiba-tiba kita ke Indonesia makan cuma nasi aja. Kan kalau lagi
Yeah, now
kerja,
like after
if we are
3-4
working-
years, I'm eating more than before. Yeah.
more than before.
Yeah.
But not yet.
I mean Indonesian food, but still
Okay.
not daily.
Not
Like
daily.
usually when I'm cooking home, I'm cooking my Polish food. Potatoes, chicken, meat. Meat is also very expensive in Indonesia.
Meat the beef, right?
Beef, yeah, compared with Poland.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
Yeah,
I think for comparing to Romania, it's the same price. The
Very
beef in
same.
Romania is very expensive.
in
too.
Poland it's way cheaper.
Okay. Ya, jadi if dia bilang dia belum biasa makan setiap hari makanan Indonesia, mungkin karena pacarnya orang Brazil juga ya, orang dari luar. Aku sama Bayu bersama, kalau dia makan aku ya pasti ikutin aja. Maybe because of Felix, ya.
Thanks
as
God
well.
Felix is cooking well.
Oh, you see?
So I'm lucky I don't have to cook every day.
Oh, amazing. She loves you, Felix.
I love you, Felix.
Aw. Okay, so how we are doing it? We say one pro, one con, one pro, one con, or how? Okay, now something that you don't really like in Indonesia. What is it?
Traffic,
Traffic, iya itu pasti semua.
pollution, yeah.
Ya itu dua masalah besar di Indonesia, macetnya dan polusinya. I say the same, it's hard.
I think for everyone, for all of the foreigners, even Indonesian people are complaining about it.
Yeah, more or less, yeah, because the weather was also very hot, not raining for so
The air is
long.
very heavy for our.
You know, first time when I arrived in Indonesia, I stepped out the plane, I couldn't breathe. I feel like
Had the same feeling, yeah.
I didn't
But
have
after
air
a few
to
days,
breathe.
you just start to use Gojek, you get used to it.
Yeah.
It's like a normal thing.
Ya, jadi pertama kali saya datang ke Indonesia, tiba-tiba keluar dari pesawat, kayak mau tarik nafas
So
nggak
heavy.
bisa. Ya, berat banget kayak the air gitu. It's so, it's raining
Raining
again.
Nice.
What I like else beside the Indonesia, so a pro for Indonesia is the nature.
The nature, yeah.
Yes.
And if we talk about Indonesia, yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
not
yeah.
about Jakarta.
Here still you have a lot of trees comparing to the capital in Bucharest, for example.
Oh yeah,
There are
really?
not as many trees, not as many flowers, not as many like parks
It
there are.
depends also which area from Jakarta, right?
Yes,
Which
very
part
right.
of
Yeah.
the city, yeah.
There are areas that are more like buildings and stuff, and more areas. And another con. I know. Do you know? You wanna say something else?
No, I'm still thinking, you know.
Okay. I wanna say about the walking.
Sidewalk, you mean?
We
But now
cannot
it's
walk.
getting better. You
It's
will see
getting
on the
much
street
better,
they
yeah.
building, yeah, the place. So I think like next year, in few years, it will be better.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, but still hard ya, karena di sini nggak ada banyak taman seperti di Eropa. There are not many parks and everything.
And also even if you wanna take a walk, it's difficult because everywhere are motorbikes,
Traffic,
cars,
yeah.
traffic.
Dulu ya.
Oke, jadi kita harus pindah karena hujannya tambah gede. Yuk, let's move because the
Yeah, let's
rain
move
is
somewhere.
it will ruin the camera.
So where we move, yeah?
Where we move? Come here.
What is there inside?
Back. Okay, so we moved.
To inside because start to rain.
Dan hujannya udah dari gerimis tadi kuat banget, ya udahlah pindah aja di rumah tempat kita biasa ngobrol kan. Oke. Jadi tadi kita udah ngomong makanan, harganya, cuaca, traffic, polusi. Habis ini apa ya yang bagus?
Online shopping.
Online shopping, benar, very good.
Even like we have so many applications. If you are lazy to move from house, you can order food.
Medicine if you're
Medicine if you are sick. If you are lazy to clean the house, you can go clean also. Right?
Yeah, everything. So people here have everything. So,
It's so
for
easy.
us, for us, for Bule, I think it's so easy to make us lazy. Yeah? More like than
In Poland, we don't have this kind of
Iya, di rumahnya juga nggak ada begitu. Jadi kalau mau apa aja harus keluar dari
If you
rumah.
are hungry, the only thing you can order is pizza, right?
Pizza, yes.
Just if you live like in bigger city, then of course have some application and stuff. But in my city, small one.
I'm from the capital and we have maybe like 2 applications to order food. Tapi mahal banget, so expensive
yeah.
the delivery.
Beef
Oh, but I
and
forgot to ask you, what's your favorite Indonesian food?
martabak manis.
Martabak manis.
Before I used to eat a lot, like I could eat full box with the chocolate,
Wow.
you know, and everything. But now
You
when
eat
I order
full box?
before, yeah. Like first time when I came to Indonesia, I was ordering one box like at least once per week, I think, and I was
Wow.
eating alone. But now I think 2 pieces and I'm already so
Yeah,
full
same
because
with
it's
me.
very oily and sweet, right?
Same with me. It's very good, very tasty, but like a little bit and I'm full, you know.
Yeah, exactly. And from salty things, what? Of course, nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Mie goreng.
For me, ayam goreng.
Bakar
You like pete or no?
Pete, what is pete?
Pete, very good. You need to try it.
What is that?
Later we make her try pete ya. Nanti dia.
I wanna know what is that. I'm afraid to try new things, you know? What is that?
It's not very good. Okay, so I think it's enough, yeah, for
Enough for
today.
today,
Okay. So later you wanna make video?
Let's do it. yeah.
Okay. Amazing kan? Oh, dari tutorial satu.
Oh, I'll pick him up, ya.
Okay. Dia senang banget setelah Tudor juga. Dia mau ketemu saya dan Tudor baru lagi kerja, jadi ya kita tunggu mereka ya gitu balik. Siapa balik ke rumah? Did you miss Gaga? Give Gaga.
Give me his first. But my stuff there.
Get Bobo. Oh, hi. What is it for? Oh, minum tidak mau minum tea?
You want tea?
No, it's not panas.
It's not panas.
Enak, kita bisa minum. Dia takut panas. Tuh tiba-tiba kita udah bikin video dan dia datang di rumah juga balik. Tadi habis main sama Ataya ya? Tadi dia main sama
What's
sama
happening?
Nena.
Where have you been?
Oh, yes. Oh, you want to drink some mommy? Oh, mommy minum.
You think?
So yummy.
Mommy the same? Okay.
Oh, ini diktator kita udah datang di rumah. Jadi kita sudah dulu ya. Ya. Oops. Oh, it's okay. Oke, juga minum. Oh, for mommy, thank you. Jadi kita bilang bye-bye dulu ke kamera. Kalau suka video ini, jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen, dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah!